Y'all, I'm with Reginae here, and it's her channel.
And my channel, I'll be changing the name of my channel though. Our teeth are yellow.
Yeah, cause we've been eating.
We was eating Doritos, and I was eating Doritos.
And I was just eating stuff. But we just saw a dead bird, guys. Look.
Here,
Look
I'm
at
gonna move
it. Ew.
Check off the head.
Y'all want to see the head? Ew. You're pressing it.
Sorry.
Now flip it over so they can see the booty hole.
That is hard though.
Reginae want to see the booty hole. Ew, look at the booty hole. Move the stick.
Don't put my phone on a stick.
Yeah, we just showed that the booty hole. Now we're finna just go down the street and do stuff. Come on.
No, we're not. We're about to steal.
Oh,
wait for the dude to come back.
we waiting for Andre, something like that.
Andre.
Hey,
Let's look
while
this
he
up.
in the house,
Let's
go
try-
stick that stick up the booty hole like you said.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Not that stick. It was a different stick. It was this one.
Yeah, but I already touched a bird with it, and the bird probably has rabies. Let's just press.
Look at these flowers, though.
Oh my god, I think the head came off.
Did it?
I don't see the head no more.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did. Look. Oh, there the head go. That's weird.
She thought the head came off. Look.
I was about to go to hell.
You finna go to hell?
No.
Look at it.
Cause I wasn't the one who was doing the honors. Brandon was the one.
Yeah,
who
he
did the
dropped.
honors.
He threw it up in the air, and then it dropped on the street, and he put it over here. Andre, whatever his name is, he dropped the rock on it. Look at that car, it's sassy.
Oh, sorry, bitch.
Look at that car, it's sassy. Look at the car, sexy.
Looks like an ugly girl's in there.
And it look like you in there. With your messed up buns. Look at your hair, messed up buns. I look good. I got 2 for $5 Applebee's in the hood.
Turn it up. Get somebody. I look good. I'm a better sexy dig to it.
Alright, y'all, that's all we got for y'all in this video. Reginae, say hi.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe to her channel.
Wait.
Okay.
Why I see a white shirt behind us?
Where?
Oh, I just touched the armpits.
Bye. Bye, bitches.
Don't